Hello everyone, I am Tutor. Now, if this is the first time for listening to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share, comment and likes. So we have a question which is A. If A equal to B power C and B equal to C power A and C equal to A power B, prove or show A times B times C equal to 1. Let's provide solution. We have equation 1 which is A equal to B power C and equation 2 which is B equal to C power A and equation 3 which is C equal to A power B. Now we are asked to find A times B times C equal to 1. This is what I'm going to show. Now, the first things that we are going to do is to express everything in one variable. Express everything in one variable. Now, from equation 1, we have A which is equal to B power C. Now, by expressing in terms of B, now this one, B will be equal to A1 over C. You have to know that this is the first equation we made from equation 1. Now, from equation 2, here we have B which is equal to C power A, and we have A here to mean that B will be equal to C. We say that we know that B equal to C power A, and we have C which is equal to A power B. Now in expression of 2, you can say that B will be equal to A power B, then power this one A. This will bring B equal to A, then power A B. To mean that by writing them all, we have B which is equal to A power B, and here we have another B which is equal to A 1 over C, as you have seen above. Now here we have, as there we have a B which is we have same basis B. Now we are going to know that A power B is equal to A1 over C. Once we have same base, to mean that power are equal, AB will be equal to 1 over C. Now by exchanging here, I have AB which is equal to 1 over C. If we made the cross multiplication here, we know that A, B, C will be equal to 1. This is the first method. Method 2, you have to know that, let us write again first equation. We have first equation which is A equal to B power C. I have to, the second equation is equal to B equal to C power A, and equation 3 is equal to C which is equal to A power B. Now we are going to let apply. I take logarithms to simplify our calculations. For equation 1, we have to know that here we have logarithm of a, which is equal to logarithm of b power c. To mean that here you have logarithm of a, which is equal to c logarithm of b. For equation 2, here we have logarithm of b will be equal to logarithm of c power a, to mean that logarithm of b will be equal to a logarithm of c. For equation 3 will be equal to logarithm of c will be equal to logarithm of a power b. This will bring logarithm of c, which is equal to b logarithm of a. Let's donate that. By writing x, which is equal to logarithm of a. Now we are going to write then yb logarithm of b, then zb logarithm of c. Then after, we can write that our equation as x equal to, now here we have to come up here that we have to write that x as logarithm of a, c logarithm of b. That's what we're going to do here. This one will be x b x c y, because here we have logarithm of a is equal to x, and c we have it here, and we have read that logarithm of b is equal to y. That's why we say that like that. Now this one will be y will be equal to a z, and then z will be equal to b x. Now by substituting back into each other, this one will bring x equal to c. Now here we have that x is equal to cy. Now we know that y will be equal to az. Now by substituting we have az. Now here we'll have the z is equal to bx. Now we are going to replace this value of z here. We get x, which is equal to c a b x. To mean that here we have x, which is equal to c a b x. By arranging them, you have x which is equal to a, b, c, x. Then by x here, to mean that this one will be cancelled. Now this one will be cancelled to get 1 which is equal to a, b, c, to mean that a, b, c is equal to 1. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you the next time. Please don't forget subscribe.